Hello everyone. I'm going to create a series of videos so you can learn how to program in Roblox Studio, and you can create your own games. But first, you need to know how Roblox Studio works. Roblox Studio is a software that allows users create and develop games. It uses the programming language called Lua, and you will see that it is really easy to learn. Now, we are going to learn how to use the basic tools in Roblox Studio. We are going to start opening Roblox Studio. We will see 5 tabs. Recents contains the experiences we entered previously. Home. You can find some of your experiences. Templates. And some documents about Roblox Studio. Experiences contain all the experiences you have created. Templates contains different templates to create a new experience designed by Roblox Studio. Archive. Here you can find the experiences you have archived. If you want to create a new experience, you can use one of the templates, or press the bottom, New Experience. How to save your game. To save your game you will click on Game Settings, then on Save to Roblox. Fill in the information on the form, and then you click on Save. Home tab. Select. Allows you to select objects and drag them across the map to the position you want. Move. Allows you to move objects along the X, Y, and Z axes. Scale. Allows you to modify the size of the X, Y, and Z axes. Rotate. Allows you modify the rotation in the X, Y, and Z axes. Editor. Allows you to add or remove terrain of the material you want. Toolbox. Contains a selection of models, images, meshes, sound, audio, plugins, videos, and fonts made by Roblox or member of the Roblox community. Part. Allows you to add the geometric figures called part or block. Sphere, wedge, corner wedge, and cylinder. Anchor. If the anchored property is activated, the part will be immovable by physics. And if we deactivate it, it will be affected by physics. Model tab. Snapping. The studs and degrees are units of measurement in Roblox Studio used to adjust the manipulation of objects. You can configure the snapping system according to your preferences, choosing how many studs or degrees you want the object to move or rotate. Union. This tool joins 2 or more parts together to form a single part. Intersect. This tool joins into a single part only the size at which the 2 or more parts intersect. Negate. Negates a part so that when it's unioned with another part, the shape of the negated part is subtracted from another part. Separate. This tool separates the union or intersect back into its individual parts. Avatar tab. Rig Builder. Lets you quickly insert basic pre-built character rigs into your experience. Animation Editor. Allows you to design and publish custom animations on rigs. Test tab. Play and stop. Play allows you test your game. And stop. Allows you to stop testing your game. Current client and current server. If you are in current client, you will see the client perspective. And if you are in current server, you will see the server perspective. Pause physics all and resume physics all. Pause physics all allows you to stop the physics. And resume physics all allows you to resume the physics. Start. Allows you to choose the number of players to test your game. Device. Allows you to test your game on different type of devices. View tab. Explorer. Allows you to view and manipulate all instances in your game, such as models, sounds, scripts, and services. Properties. Allows you to adjust certain properties of a selected object to change how the object looks and behaves. Plugins tab. The Plugins tab contains tools for managing plugins. A plugin is an extension that adds additional features or functionality to Studio. You can install community-made plugins from the Creator Store, or you can create and publish your own to the toolbox to use across your experiences. We have reached the end of the video. You should have learned how to use the basic tools of Roblox Studio. And although there are still many others to be seen, do not worry. You'll see them as the course progresses. So, congratulations, you won a cookie.